I hear lots of reasons why people don't start a business. Some of them are, I don't know what I'm doing. I've never done it before. It takes money to make money, and I'm afraid to risk it. It sounds difficult. It sounds risky. But you know what underpins all of these things? It's the fear of failure. And there's a way to get over that. Often that fear of failure comes from not knowing something. So if we can replace that region of the unknown with fact, then it will help you to make a logical decision as to whether to get into a business or not. So I'm asking you to dispense with your prejudices about what you think might be true about a business and ask yourself, is this what I think or what I know for a fact? And when we can replace fear with fact, then it allows you to make a logical decision about whether to get into a business or not. Because if you allow emotion to drive your business decision, you might not make the best decision you can make. So if you're ready to start a business, but fear is getting in the way, I can help you. I can offer you frameworks to get the facts, to replace that fear so you can make the best decision, what is quite possibly the biggest decision of your life. I'm happy to help.